ZIMASCO starts building 2 new furnaces. Herald Business. ZIMASCO will build 2 new furnaces at its quirky plant and refurbish 2 other existing ones at the same complex. ZIMASCO, a unit of China's Sinosteel, has started building 2 new furnaces at the quirky complex as it targets to raise capacity by 40%, a spokesperson said. The US $35 million investment will also involve the refurbishment of 2 furnaces and a sinter plant with an annual capacity of 300,000 tons at the same complex. The building of new furnaces in quirky at the East plant and refurbishment of 2 furnaces at the West plant has started, Clara Sadamba said in a telephone interview. Ferrochrome, alongside platinum and diamonds, is among the mineral commodities expected to grow the industry to a US $12 billion economy by next year. In 2021, export earnings from the sectors increased to US $5.2 billion from US $2.9 billion in 2017, with the government remaining optimistic that the US $12 billion would be achieved. Indications are that the revenues from the industry could reach US $8 billion this year. ZISA recently said the increased activity in the mining sector was causing a huge supply electricity gap. The growing demand is also inducing other significant industrial loads, ZISA said. Last year, the power utility received applications for new supplies from the mining industry aggregating to 200 MW by 2025. This is almost the country's current electricity production capacity. ZIMASCO, alongside Afrochine, another Chinese firm, is Zimbabwe's major producer of ferrochrome used in stainless production and holds large tracts of unexploited claims. The new furnaces will have capacity of 72,000 tons per annum and will raise ZIMASCO's ferrochrome production from the current 180,000 tons to 252,000 tons, the company said earlier. The sinter plant will enable ZIMASCO to utilize its friable ore resource, which it has been unable to use because of the old technology at the existing chrome smelters. To encourage investments in beneficiation facilities, the government has since banned raw chrome exports, which analysts say will see more capital flowing into the sector. The government also granted huge tracts of land to companies intending to establish integrated chrome mining and smelting. The improved technology on the furnaces will improve operational efficiencies and reduce the cost of production, thereby increasing the company's competitiveness. A 5-year business plan, which takes into account the additional ore requirements of the new furnaces together with a suitable mining plan, has been developed. ZIMASCO has been leasing its 3 furnaces to South African firm, Portnex International. Following the end of the Portnex lease at the end of 2020, 2 of the 3 West plant furnaces were being refurbished at a cost of about US $1.6 million. Global ferrochrome demand also decreased by 4.2% from 7.4 million tons to 7.1 million tons. Global ferrochrome production is expected to grow by 8% from 14.4 million tons in 2021 to 15.6 million tons per year. The growth will be driven by China as power reforms restrictions that were in place in 2021 have largely been lifted. China accounted for 60% of the global ferrochrome demand. Global stainless steel production has declined by 267% from 30 million tons in June 2021 to 29.2 million tons. However, some growth is expected for the full year. China continues to dominate in terms of global stainless steel production and accounted for more than half of the production,